Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick DIY Mickey Mouse tutu for Halloween. For this project, you're going to need 2 to 3 yards of red tulle, some scissors, white felt, a glue gun, and elastic band for the skirt. Now, when you take your elastic band, you're going to measure it out against your waist and cut the amount that you need. When you're done with that, go ahead and tie it up into a knot, or you can sew it, but for this I tied it up. I took the red tulle and I laid it out, folded it, and then I began to cut strips for the tutu in order to tie on the elastic band. I'm not too sure how many strips I cut, but with 2.5 yards is what I had. There were a lot of strips. So once I cut the strip, I'll go ahead and make sure it's straightened up, but you really don't have to. It can vary. So I take the strip, the folded end, I put it through the elastic band, and the two loose ends of the tulle, I put it in the folded bend, as you can see on this video. So as you see, my strips aren't really even, and that's okay. That's how the tutu is going to come out, like varied in different edges and jags and stuff in there, so it's perfectly fine. Again, just take the two loose ends of the of the tulle that you cut and put it through the end that's looped. This project took me in its entirety around 30 minutes. It was really quick to complete. So continue with all the strips that you cut from off the tulle, place them around the white elastic band. And here's my not finished product, but what was done so far after I put the strips around the elastic band. So after I did that, I got my white felt and I put it on my Cricut mat to go ahead and cut some circles. You can cut them with your scissors, but I just went ahead and put a lot of 1-inch circles on design space and decided to let my Cricut cut it for me to make the project a little bit quicker. So there's my circles that are cut out. Once that's done, I went ahead and took them from off the mat. I heated up the glue gun and I put the hot glue on the back side of one of those circles and just placed them one by one on the tutu that we made earlier. This was a really quick and easy project to do. I was just trying to make a skirt to match my daughter's Halloween costume for tonight, so it was real quick and easy.